end of chapter exercise. End of chapter exercise. In this end of chapter exercise, we'll be having combination of all the concepts. Whatever we just learn in all these exercises, it will be put in the form of together, right? So we have to use all our ideas and concept to solve all the questions. Okay. Now let's start with first question. Use suitable identities to find the following products. Okay. As we have learned everything in detail, right? Again, I'm not going to write and explain. So I have taken the answer, right? By using the answer, I'll just give the explanation. First question, minus 3x plus 4, the whole square. Okay. So we have to write the expanded form. So first of all, identify which identity can be used. So this is in the form of a plus b the whole square. So a plus b the whole square means a square plus 2ab plus b square. In this we have to identify first, okay, what is a and what is b. So in the place of a we have minus 3x and b we have 4. So replace in the formula. A place we have to write as minus 3x, b place we have to write as 4. Okay, just expand minus 3x the whole square means it will become plus 9x square. So 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. Minus 6 into 4 is minus 24. 4 square is 16. So this is the answer. Next, second question, 2s plus 7, 2s minus 7. Now this is in the form of a plus b, a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Okay, so in this we can just identify what is c. Okay, a place we have 2s and b place we have 7. Okay, a plus b, a minus b. So the formula is a square minus b square. 2s the whole square minus 7 the whole square. 2s square is 4s square minus 7 square is 49. That is the answer. Third question, p square plus 1 by 2, p square minus 1 by 2. This is also in the form of a plus b, a minus b. Okay, don't think that this square is coming square formula, right? This is in the form of a plus b, a minus b. So here I can just take a value as, so a is equal to p square. Okay, a in the place of a we have b square, b is equal to 1 by 2. A plus b, a minus b formula is a square minus b square. So a square minus b square. So p square the whole square is p power 4. 1 by 2 the whole square is 1 by 4. Now fourth question, 2n plus 7, 2n minus 7. This is also in the form of a plus b, a minus b. Okay, a plus b, a minus b. So here we can just take it as a is equal to 2n, a, b value we can take it as 7. So replace in the formula, right? Answer will be 4n square minus 49. Now fifth one is s minus 2t, s square plus 2st plus 4t square. So we have the identity for this also. This is in the form of a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. The formula is a cube minus b cube. Okay, this is a, this is b. From this you can easily take. This is a value, this is b value, take the cube, right? Here a is equal to s and b place we have 2t. The formula is a cube, s cube and b cube, 2t the whole cube. S cube is s cube minus 2 cube is 8, t cube is t cube. Sixth one, 1 by 2r minus 4r the whole square. This is in the form of a minus b the whole square. A minus b the whole square you have to expand. Okay, in the place of a we have, see a value is 1 by 2r and b value is 4r. Just replace a minus b the whole square means a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, simplify it. 1 square is 1 only, 2 square is 4, r square minus. So now here this 2 will get cancelled, balance 4 and r also getting cancelled. Okay, only balance 4. Plus 4 square is 16, r square is r square. Now rearrange 16 r square plus 1 by 4 r square minus 4. So we just done the rearrangement. Question number 7, minus 3m plus 4k minus L, the whole square. We have to use the suitable identity to expand this. Okay. Now, by seeing the first question, right, by seeing the question, you have to understand which, okay, identity is exactly matching for this in the form of A plus B plus C. Okay, don't think that it's minus. Okay, you can just take it as A plus B plus C the whole square. Okay, A plus B plus C the whole square identity. So we are going to apply it. We know the formula. A plus B plus C the whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. So from this, okay, you have to understand what is A and B and C. Okay, from this, so we can just take here A place, A is equal to minus 3M. So B place we have 4K and C place we have minus L. So we're going to replace A, B, C in the formula. That's it. Okay, A square means minus 3M the whole square plus B square 4K the whole square plus C square minus L the whole square plus 2AB, 2BC, 2CA. So we can just expand minus 3 the whole square is 9, M square is M square, 4 square is 16, K square, L minus L the whole square, it will become plus L square. Here, 2 3s are 6, okay, minus 6. Minus 6 into 4 is minus 24. 2 4s are 8. 8 into minus 1, that will become minus 8 KL, minus 8 KL. So here minus and minus it will become plus. 2 3s are 6, 6 ml. Okay, so you have to understand the formula, replace the formula, you will be getting the answer. Next, eighth one, x minus 1 by 3 y the whole cube. Okay, this is a cubic identity. Now this is in the form of a minus b the whole cube. A minus b the whole cube, right? So the main thing is you must know the formula. If you know the formula, easily you can write. A minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay, how we can remember this formula means, so the power of a is decreasing, power of b will increase. Okay, it will take the alternative side. So plus minus plus minus. The power of a is decreasing. A power 3, a power 2, a power 1, there is no a. B power it will increase. Here there is no b, b power 1, b power 2, b power 3. Okay, so remember the formula. So here in the place of a we have a place. So a is equal to x we have and b is equal to 1 by 3 y. Okay, minus is already in the formula. Okay, so we can just replace a cube means x cube minus 3 a square b plus 3a b square minus b cube. Okay, you can just expand x cube is x cube minus 3 x square is x square 1 by 3 y. So 3x 1 by 3 the whole square is 3 square is 9. So 1 by 9 y square is y square minus 1 by 3 cube is 27 y cube. Now x cube, right? So here this 3 and 3 get cancelled minus x square y. Here we can cancel 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So we'll be getting 1 by 3 x y square. Here we cannot cancel anything. So 1 by 27 y cube. Okay, further we cannot simplify. So this is the final answer. The ninth one, 7 by 2k minus 2 by 3m the whole cube. Here we can just use the same formula a minus b the whole cube. A minus b the whole cube. First you have to identify here what is a. Okay, in the place of A, we have 7 by 2k, and B place, we have 2 by 3m. So A minus B the whole cube. The same formula you can apply. So A minus B the whole cube is equal to A cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square minus B cube. Okay, replace the value. Instead of A, we have to write 7 by 2k. Instead of B, we have to write it as 2 by 3m. So write, substitute, and then expand this. Okay, 7 cube is 343. So 2 cube is 8k square minus 3 into 7 square is 49 by 2 square is 4, k square is k square into 2 by 3m. Okay, dot which means multiplication. Okay, dot means multiplication. Now 3 into 7 by 2 k, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9 minus 8 by 27 m cube. Now we can cancel here 343 by 8 k square. Okay, this 3 get cancelled minus 49 by k square m. Okay, 49 into 2 also is there, right? Yeah, 2 also getting cancelled. Here 1 2s are 2, here 2 2s are 4. So therefore we have 49 by 2 k square m, and here also 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. A balance 7 2s are 14 by 3 k m square minus 8 by 27 m cube. So question number 2, find the values using the suitable identities. 17 into 21. Okay, 17 into 21 is given, so you have to use the suitable identities. Right, first of all, you have to think, okay, how we can write 17 and 21 to use the identity. Okay, which identity can be used for this? First, you have to identify using a minus b, a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Okay, so first of all, you have to expand this in the form of a minus b, a plus b. How can I write 19 minus 2, 19 plus 2? Okay, 21. So from this, you can just take it as a is equal to 19, b is equal to 2. So formula is a square minus b square. 19 square minus 2 square. 19 square is 361 minus 2 square is 4. 361 minus 4 is 357. Okay. Now the second one, 104 into 104 into 96. This also a plus b into a minus b. Okay, a plus b into a minus b. Okay, can be written as, right, 100 plus 4, 100 minus 4. Okay, 100 plus 4, 100 minus 4. Now this is in the form of a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So a is nothing but a value, b is 4. Just write in the formula 100 square minus 4 square. 100 square is 10,000 and 4 square is 16. Okay, 10,000 minus 16 is, okay, 9,984 is the answer. Right? So the same as third question, 24 into 16, 20 plus 4, 20 minus 4. A plus B, A minus B. The formula is A square minus B square. Okay, A value is 20, B value is 4. 20 square minus 4 square. 20 square is 400 minus 4 square is 16. 400 minus 16 is 384. That is the answer. Okay. Next, fourth question, 147 the whole cube. 147 the whole cube, I have written as 150 minus 3 the whole cube. Either you can write it as 140 plus 7 the whole cube also we can use. Anyway, we'll be getting the same answer. So 150 minus 3 the whole cube, that is a minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So here a value is 50. So a value is 150. A is equal to 150 and b value is 3. Okay, b is equal to 3. So replace the value 150 the whole cube minus 3 into a square b plus 3 b square minus b cube. Now we just expand. Okay, 150 cube, right? So 150 into 150 into 150. Okay, or 15 into 15 into 15, multiply and take the 3 zeros. And 3 into 150 the whole square. Okay, 150 into 150, again you have to multiply. So 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 150 into 3 square. 3 square is 9. We have to multiply it. Again, 3 cube is 27. Okay, so for this, everything you have to expand, then you have to write. Okay, so finally, we are just, okay, first of all, you just add the positive numbers. Okay, add these two. Okay, then add these two. Then you subtract. Go with the board mass rule. Okay, finally, we'll be getting the answer as this is 1000 lakhs. So 31 lakhs 76,523 is the final answer. Okay, fifth one. Okay, 199 the whole cube can be written as 200 minus 1 the whole cube. Compared to 100 plus 99 the whole cube, this will be easy, right? We can write as 200 minus 1 the whole cube. Here a value. Okay, a is equal to 200 and b is equal to 1. So replace the value a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So 200 cube minus 3 into 200 square and multiply it. Here 1 square is 1, 1 cube is 1. Okay. So finally use the board mass rule. First add, then finally subtract. So you'll be getting the answer as this is 1000 lakhs. 78 lakhs 80,599 is the answer. Okay. Next, sixth one, 127 the whole cube. 127 the whole cube can be written as 100 plus 27 the whole cube. Okay, here we have used 100 plus 27 the whole cube. Or we can use, right, 130, okay, 130 minus 3 the whole cube. This also can be used, right? Okay, so here I have taken as 100 plus 27 the whole cube. 127 the whole cube, I am just writing as 100 plus 27 the whole cube. That means in the place of a, I have taken a is equal to 100 and b is equal to 27. 100 cube, okay, plus 100 cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, 27 cube. Okay, 100 cube, right? 3 into 100 square into 27, 3 into 100 into 27 square plus 27 cube. Okay, everything is plus, so we have to add everything. So finally, we are getting as 1000 lakhs. 20 lakhs, 48,383 is the final answer. Okay, minus 107 the whole cube. So I'm just writing as, so I'm just taking the minus outside. So it will become 107 the whole cube. Now 107 can be split into 100 plus 7. Okay, a is equal to 100, b is equal to 7. So use the formula a plus b the whole cube. Okay, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So use the formula, expand everything, right? So we are just getting the answer as this is 1000 lakhs. 12 lakhs 25,043. In the answer, we just kept the minus outside. Okay, minus outside, right? So you have to take the minus. So the final answer is, okay, is you are having 12 lakhs 25,043. Okay. If it's a square means minus is outside, while squaring it will become plus. But here we have cube. So minus into minus into minus, finally we'll be getting the answer as minus only. So answer will be in minus. Right? So therefore the answer in minus. Okay, so the same, you can just take minus outside. Okay, it will become minus 299 the whole cube. Okay, 299 we can write it as 300 minus 1. Okay, 300 minus 1, the whole cube. So we can use the formula a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Use the formula, expand, simplify. So finally we are getting the answer as this is 1000 lakhs crore. Okay, 2 crore 67 lakhs 30,899. As minus is outside, just take the minus outside, right? So the answer is in minus. So again, the final answer is 1000 lakhs crore. 2 crore 67 lakhs 30,899 is the final answer. Right. So next, okay, factor the following algebraic expression. So we are going to factorize. So before we just expanded using the formula. Here we are going to factorize. Expanded formula is given, so we have to factorize. Expanded form means without bracket. Factor form means with bracket we have to write. So first of all, you have to see the question, understand what is the correct identity can be used for factorizing this. Question number 1, 4y square plus 1 plus 1 by 16 y square is given. So this is square, okay, square identity. Okay, square identity means, right, we can just choose only square identities. Everything is plus, that means choose only the plus identities. Now this is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square format is there. Okay, therefore I can just use a plus b the whole square. Okay, now this is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. The formula is a plus b the whole square. From this I have to identify what is a, what is b. That is our answer. Okay, in the place of a, this can be written as 2y the whole square, and in the place of b we have 1 by 4y the whole square. So first I ask you to write only a first, then b second. So balance we can write it as 2 into a into b. We will be getting the middle value. So formula is a plus b the whole square. Just replace a with 2y, b with 1 by 4y the whole square. That is the final answer. Okay. So many questions we have done like this. That's why I'm just showing the answer. I'm just explaining it. Okay. We have many questions. Okay. Based on this. Right. Now the second one, 9m square minus 1 by 25n square. Okay. Okay. So here only two terms, a square minus b square. Okay. Only two terms we have. We can go with a square minus b square. Okay. The formula is a minus b, a plus b. So we have to write 9m square is in the form of a and b format we have to write. So 9m the whole square we can write it as 3m the whole square minus 1 by 25n square as 1 by 5n the whole square. Now this is our a value, this is a value, and this is b value. So the formula is a minus b, a plus b. A minus b, a plus b. That is the final answer. Okay. So now third question. So a cube minus b cube. The formula is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay. So from this you have to identify what is a value, what is b value, then applied in the formula. Okay. 27b cube we can write it as 3b the whole cube minus 1 by 64b cube we can write as 1 by 4b the whole cube. Now this is our a value, this is b value. Just substitute a minus b, 3b minus 1 by 4b into a square plus ab plus b square. So expand this, we cannot simplify, just write as it is. 3 square is 9, b square is b square. Now 3 in 3b into this here, b get cancelled. So 3 by 4. 1 square is 1. So 4 square is 16. B square is b square. So that is the final answer. Okay, directly if you want to use the cap method, what do you have to do? So the product of two numbers, I have to get it as, okay, 1 by 6. And sum of the two numbers, I have to get it as 5 by 6. Okay, so I have to find out the path. Okay, while multiplication I have to get it as 1 by 6, while adding I have to get it as 5 by 6. So the answer will be the product of this. Okay, factor of this. I can just take it as 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. Yeah. If you multiply 1 by 6, yes, I am getting it. While adding is, we have to take the LCM, right? So, or use the butterfly method. I am getting this. Yes, we can go with this. Okay, keep as it is and find the factors. It's coming correct. So, what you have to write? So, here denominator we have. So, coefficient is x. Here, coefficient is x. So, I can just take it as x. Here also x. So, the answer it will be x plus 1 by 2 into x plus 1 by 3. I think this will be easy. Okay, answer is x plus 1 by 2, x plus 1 by 3. If you are multiplying this, you will be getting this. Next, fifth one. So 27 u cube minus 1 by 27, 1 by 125 minus 27 u square by 5 plus 9 u by 25. So this is the form of a cube minus b cube. It came inside a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, that format is given. Okay, so we can use the formula. So a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus minus b cube is equal to a minus b the whole cube. So we are going to use the formula a minus b the whole cube. Okay, this we can write it as 27u the whole cube is we can write as 3u the whole cube minus 1 by 125 you can write as 1 by 5 the whole cube. If you know what is a and b, that's this. Okay, this is our extra fitting. Our aim we have to find out what is a and b. So a will get it from this. A will get it from this. So b will get it from this. A means 3u the whole cube minus b value 1 by 5 the whole cube. So a is equal to 3u, b is equal to 1 by 5 the whole cube. That is the answer. Okay. Here the formula is given in okay reverse order a cube. Next minus b cube format is given. Okay. Then only is coming as 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, order is changed, so have a glance. Right, so 56th one, 64y cube plus 1 by 125 z cube. Okay, two variables are given. And cubic formula. Which formula can be used?
A cube plus B cube.
A cube plus b cube. Okay, a cube plus b cube, right? So a cube plus b cube formula is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, so remember the formula a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Right, so a value how to write it as 4y the whole 4y the whole cube. Okay, this is 4y the whole cube plus z, that means z by 5 the whole cube. We'll be getting 1 by 125 z cube. Now this is a value. Okay, a value is 4y, b value is z by 5. So replace in the formula 4y plus z by 5 into okay a plus b into a square minus a b plus b square. Okay, so 4 square is 16, y square is y. Now here 4 into y z by 5. Z square is z square, 5 square is 25. That's it. Number 7. By seeing the question itself, you have to identify which is the correct identity, which is the exact identity can be matched for finding answer for this. So this is in the form of p cube plus 27q cube plus r cube minus 9pqr is given. Okay, so we have to map into the identity. So this is a cubic is given, so cubic identity. We are not going to disturb the square identity. Okay, so you have to check with the cubic identity, which is going to exactly match. Okay, now this is in the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So we have learned one identity. So this is in the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. The formula is a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Okay, this is the identity we have learned it. Okay, from this we have to identify what is ABC. If you identify what is ABC, then our answer is over. Right? From this, okay, so we have to write, okay, we have to bring this in the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc format we have to write first. Okay, this can be written as b cube is we can write as b, okay, a cube that is b cube, and 27 can be written as 3q the whole cube plus r cube. Okay, this is r the whole cube minus, okay, now this is a cube plus b cube plus c cube plus 3. Okay, so 3 into a value is b. Okay, 3a. B value is 3q plus c value is r. Okay, if you're multiplying 3 3s are 9, p q r we are getting is. So now from this I can identify a is nothing but b, b is nothing but 3q, c is nothing but r. Okay, so I can just write what is a, b, c, then we can write. So from this I can just write, so in the place of a we have p, and b we have 3q, and c we have r. Just replace in the formula. In the place of a we can write it as p plus, okay, 3q plus r into a square means p square plus b square. Okay, 3q the whole square is 9q square plus r square. Okay, formula is minus ab. Okay, minus ab means minus a into b and minus bc. Okay, minus ca. Okay, ca. So p into r is pr. So we'll be getting this answer. Now eighth one. So 9m square minus 12m plus 4. Okay, first of all, see whether first number and last number is in the form of perfect square number. Here, yes, of course, 9m square and 4 both are perfect square number. We can use the identity. So we can go with this as minus comes. We are going to have a minus b the whole square formula. Okay, a minus b the whole square formula. Actually, now this is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square format is given. Okay, so answer it will be a minus b the whole square. Now using a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b the whole square. Okay, so bring it into the format. Okay, 9m square can be written as 3m the whole square minus, and okay, first we will complete 4. 4 can be written as 2 square. Okay, then minus 2ab means we can write it as 2 into a into b, 2 into a into b. So 2ab. So from this, our aim we have to find out what is a. A is nothing but 3m, b is nothing but 2. Okay, a minus b the whole square. It's over. Now the ninth one, 9x cube minus 8 by 3 y cube plus z cube by 3 plus 6x y z. Now actually directly we cannot apply the formula, right? So here we have the denominator. So we have to ignore the denominator. So I'm going to remove the denominator. For removing the denominator, what has to be done? So I have to multiply with 3. Or just take the 3 outside. Okay, it's better you can just take the 3 outside. Right? If I take the 3 outside, right, here there is no denominator. So 3 should be multiplied with 9. Here 3 is outside. Here 1 by 3 is outside. And here there is no denominator. So 3 should be multiplied inside. Okay. So now we will be getting as, so taking out 1 by 3 as a factor outside. If I take 1 by 3 outside, here there is no denominator as 3. So I should multiply with 3. So it will become 9 3 is a 27x cube. Here 3 is outside. So 1 by 3 outside. So we'll be getting only 8. Here also 3 is outside. Z cube. Here there is no denominator. So we should multiply with 3. So 6 3s are 18. Now we can just compare. This is in the form of, for this. Okay, for this we can just write in the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc format. We have to bring it. Okay, how we can write? Now 3, this 27x cube can be written as 3x the whole cube. And this one plus minus 2y the whole cube plus z cube minus 3 into, here the a value is 3x, b value is minus 2y, c value is z. Okay, we got this. Now in the formula you replace the value. Okay, you have to just replace the value. Okay, 1 by 3 is outside, just keep 1 by 3 is outside. The formula is a plus b plus c. A plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Okay, we are just writing the formula and we are just applying it. Then you just simplify it, 1 by 3 outside, 3x plus, that is if you are multiplying with plus inside, plus into minus is minus, plus z. Now 3x the whole square, 3 square is 9, x square. Minus 2 the whole square, it will become plus 4. Z square is z square. Now minus into minus is plus. 3 2s are 6, xy. Minus into minus is plus. Okay. And 2 yz minus 3 xz. So 10th one, 4x square plus 9y square plus 36z square plus 12xz plus 36yz plus 24xy. Okay. Now we can just, this is a square identity. Okay, this is in the form of a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, so we can go with that identity. So a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. The formula is a plus b plus c the whole square. Okay, the main thing is we have to find out what is a, b, c. Then that is our answer. Okay, in case we are not able to expand everything, from this you find out what is a, b, c. Okay, a is going to be this one. Okay, 2x. B it will be 3y. And c it will be 6z. So that is the answer. 2x plus 3y plus 6z. The whole square. Okay, if you want to expand, you have to expand. So 4x square, how we can write 2x the whole square plus 3y the whole square, 6z the whole square. This is nothing but this is a, b, c. So replace in the formula 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. The formula is a plus b plus c the whole square. Just write 2x plus 3y plus 6z the whole square. 11th question, 27u cube minus 1 by 216 minus 9u square by 2 plus u by 4. In general formula, we will be having as a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay, they have interchanged the order. Order only is interchanged. Okay, so we have to find out what is a, what is b. That's it. We can write the answer. From this, we can find out what is a. A is going to be, so 27, you can write it as 3u the whole cube and minus. So 216 means 1 by 6 the whole cube. Now this is my a, this is my b. So the answer will be 3u minus 1 by 6 the whole cube we can write. Okay. So anyway, for the expansion, now we are going to use a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube is equal to a minus b the whole cube. Okay, from this, just expand 27u cube can be written as 3u the whole cube. 1 by 216 is 1 by 6 the whole cube. Okay, now this is a value, this is b value. So directly also we can write. So 3u minus 1 by 6 the whole cube. Anyway, just expand according to the question. 3a square b plus 3a b square. If you are expanding this, you will be getting this. Okay, the final answer is 3u minus 1 by 6 the whole cube. So next we are just moving into the fourth question. Simplify. Okay, simplification. Simplification means for the numerator we have to do the factorization. For the denominator also we have to use the factor. If anything is common factor, we can cancel. Okay, right. So question number 1, 4x square plus 4x plus 1 divided by 4x square minus 1 is given. Okay, so for the numerator, 4x square is a perfect square number, 1 also perfect square number. Now this is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so this can be written in the form of a square, right? So 2x the whole square, a square plus, okay, 2ab, 2 into a value, okay, 2ab plus b square is 1 square. Okay, if you're expanding this, you are getting this. Okay, now denominator. So denominator, what formula can be used? This is the form of a square minus b square format we can split. A square minus b square means, so 2x the whole square, a square minus b square. Okay, for the numerator you can use a plus b the whole square. Here a square minus b square format. Okay, so we can just apply the formula if you are applying the formula, right? So you'll be getting now. So this can be written as a plus b the whole square. What is a value? 2x plus b value 1. A plus b the whole square. For the denominator, a square minus b square means a plus b, a minus b. Okay, a plus b, a minus b. Right? 2x plus 1 the whole square means 2 times we can write. Now we can cancel 2x plus 1. Okay, here 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1 get cancelled. So balance 2x plus 1 by 2x minus 1. So this is the answer. Now second one, so 9 into 3a cube minus 24b cube just divided by 9a square minus 36b square. So again I'm just repeating, we should not cancel like this. That is wrong. First you find the factor, then if it's common you can cancel. Okay, so now here first of all 9 is already outside. Okay, 9 is already outside, and one more thing also common, so 3 table is common. Okay, I can just take 3 also outside. If I take 3 outside, so balance will be having a cube minus, okay, 8 3s are 24, so 8 b cube. Okay, just divided by here. Here what is common? 9 is common, I can just take 9 outside. Okay, here a square minus 9 outside means 4, 4b square. Okay, now we can cancel 9 and get gets cancel. Now, so inside we can write this in the form of a cube minus b cube format we have to split. Okay, actually we are going to use, okay, 3. This is in the form of a cube, okay, minus b cube. Okay, b we can write it as 2b, the whole cube. Okay, now this is a cube minus b cube format. So just divided by, so denominator, now this is in the form of a square minus b square format. Okay, a square minus b square format. Okay, 2b the whole square format. Okay, can anyone say the formula for a cube minus b cube?
So A minus B, A
Hmm.
square plus AB plus B square.
Hmm. So we are going to use the formula, right? So this one can be written as, where is it? So 27, where, okay, they didn't cancel this. They came up to here. Okay, so we can just remove this. We already cancel. So balance will be having, yeah. So here also we just done the cancellation. Okay, so here what you'll be having, so 3 is outside, right? So 3 we are having outside. We can take a bracket. Now 3 is outside, so inside this is the form of a cube minus b cube. Okay, a cube minus b cube formula is a minus b, a minus 2b into a square ab, not 2ab. Okay, the formula is, okay, once again I will repeat the formula. A cube minus b cube means a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, so a square plus a into b plus b square. Okay, 2 square is 4, b square. Now denominator we have in the formula, a square minus b square means a plus b, a minus b. Okay, a plus 2b, a minus 2b. Okay, now we can just check anything is common. So we can cancel a minus 2b, a minus 2b. So the balance 3 into a square plus 2ab plus 4b square just divided by a plus 2b. Okay, so we are getting the answer. The thing is, you have to learn the formula and apply the formula. Here itself, if I just expanded numerator separately and denominator separately, it will take, okay, long process. Okay, so for simplification, I have directly apply it. Hope you can understand as we have done many questions. Question number 3. Okay, s cube plus 125t cube just divided by s square minus 2st minus 35t square. For the numerator, this is in the form of a cube plus b cube. Okay, a cube plus b cube format. Okay, for the denominator, can we use any identity for the denominator? 35 is not perfect square number. We cannot use identity. So we going to use only the cap method. We are going to use cap method. So first one, this can be expressed as, how we can write, s the whole cube, a cube plus 125 means 5t the whole cube. Now I'm going to apply a cube plus b cube formula, a cube plus b cube formula, just divided by, okay, for this we can use only cap method. Okay, we are going to use the cap method for this, right? So how to find the factorization for this? So the product of two numbers I should get minus 35. Product I should get minus 35. Sum I have to get it as minus 2. Okay, so the factors are 5 sevens are 35. I have to get minus, right? At the same time, while adding, I have to get minus 2. So I have to take the minus for 7. 5 into minus 7 is minus 35, while adding 5 minus 2 is 5 minus 7 is minus 2. Okay, here we have the two variable. Okay, so S1 is fixed. Okay, S is fixed. Yes, we'll be fixing this. Okay, and we have one more variable also, that is T. Okay, T is the variable, just take T also variable. Okay, how we can write this can be factorized as S plus 5T, S plus 5T into S minus 7T. Okay, this factorization is done. For the numerator alone, this is the form of a cube plus b cube. The formula is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, expand with the formula. Okay, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, b square is 5, 5 square is 25, t square is t square. So for the denominator we have s plus 5t, s minus 7t. Okay, s minus 7t. Now here s plus 5t, s plus 5t is getting cancelled. So balance s square minus 5st plus 25t square divided by s minus 7t is the balance. Hope it's clear. Okay, so in the book they will be using a middle term splitting method. Okay, this is nothing but middle term splitting method. Okay, this is shortcut of middle term. Okay, hope you can understand this.
Like, comment, and subscribe.